Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? See you in a bit. Who want a piece of this potato? Look at that. Look at that. Let me take a bite. No, first you have one. Let me take it. Hey, welcome back to Kendra's World, Candy Lands. How's y'all first day of the week going? Let me do a mukbang. Move this fork out the way. So today I had fried chicken and roasted potatoes with gravy. Ooh, yeah. Look at here. And I love thighs, my thighs, and Popeye's thighs. I don't like other thighs from places. Ooh. Ooh. I get it right, y'all. Whatever catches. So how y'all doing on this Monday? Monday, a friend of mine. Tuesday, we played a game. Wednesday, they went away. Thursday, things ain't the same. I don't know the words, y'all. I feel good, y'all. Look at this white girl skin. And the way I fried this chicken, I put mustard, back, spread the mustard on it with hot sauce, then I seasoned it. So that made it, gave it a crunchy sound. And I boiled the potatoes and cut them. But I like the skin part of the potato. What they say, the skin is the best part of the potato. It's supposed to be healthy or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna eat it. Yum, yum, yum. And Spike over there watching. I should have stayed hubby's all that. He got chicken and baked beans out the can. I saved him a little bit of them potatoes from yesterday dinner. And I just saved me some and boiled them a little bit more. Ooh. I think I'm going to try potatoes with sour cream on it. I really think I'm going to try that. But I got to buy the sour cream. I be seeing so many of y'all videos with different foods from different cities. Oh my God. It looks so good. In DC, we don't have none of them stores. Unless you ride to Maryland, way out. And they probably have it. But DC, they got their basic food, KFC. No, we only got no KFC. Popeyes and McDonald's. And you may see a Wendy's here and there. But if you want some good food that I be seeing on other people's channels, you gotta go all the way in Maryland. Y'all see that thing? I am turning it up. This is my meal for today. I try to eat once a day. I can't be indulging all that food in me. No. And I'm not going to eat it because it's in the refrigerator. I'm going to do another thumbnail. Can somebody answer me this? I don't have no computer. So I know I ain't going live on that. I ain't hit my goal yet, so I know I ain't going live on my phone. What's the best app? I just downloaded an app called Streamlab. I ain't used it yet because I ain't doing my sippy sip today. I'm binging and watching videos today. So I'm gonna try to figure out now, do my research and do my research because I'm running low. But we will be discussing finger looking good. Leo positive traits today. In a few. Very few. I hate when my food get in my face like that. Especially in front of camera. Because I'm not no floppy eater. But sometimes when the food is good and it's yummy to my tummy, you're going to get a little knickknacks and grease around your face. And I ain't got my napkins with me, so I try to be not a slob too much. You notice when you hungry, or this your first meal of the day, and your food piping hot, it tastes very good. So let's get into it, Leos. Where y'all at? Where y'all lines at? Where y'all lines at? Where y'all lines at? They say Leo loves to show love and affection for people. Oh, wow. And this is their positive trait. I think I'm going to do negative traits next. Yeah. I'm going to get this food there. I'm coming. They say they are honest and loyal, and they demands the same in return. They say they demands. Leos are very demanding and dominant. So what they say? We the lion, we king of the moon of the boona. They take their line sign. They take their zodiac sign very serious with that line of kingdom stuff. They really do. But they good people though. They generous. But you don't want to really play with them because they not to be played with. They don't back down for nothing. They stand their ground. They do. They stand their ground. When you take a big bite, that's the long it takes to chew. Well, I ain't getting choked. But I'm not going to keep you good peoples. Because I know y'all got things to do. And so do I. Which is binge and look at TV and do what I do. But on that note, I see y'all tomorrow with another blooper. With another mukbang. If you like what you see, subscribe. If you don't, pass it on by. Until next time. I see you tomorrow with another mukbang.